Welcome back, Memorial Park friends. It's time for job number 6 from our agenda, and that is practicing our trick words. Just like last time, I'm going to flash you a word on the screen, and I want you to try to read the word as best you can. If you get stuck, I'm going to read the words with you, and then we're going to practice skywriting and saying each letter's name in the trick words. Here we go. Tell me what this word is. Nice job. The word is and. Let's air write. Here we go. A-N-D. That word is and. Remember when we air write, we pretend there's a marker or a pencil on the tip of our fingers and we write nice and neat. We go slow so we can really practice forming each letter. Our brain remembers the letters better that way. Let's try the next one. Tell me this trick word. Good. This word is the. Fingers up to trace, or fingers up to skywrite. Here we go. T-H-E. That word is the. Here's the next one. Good. This word is to. Here we go. Say each letter's name. T-O. The word is to. Do you know what this trick word is? You. Here we go. Let's get ready to air write. Y-O-U. The word is you. Here's the next one. This word is she. Let's get our fingers ready to skywrite. Here we go. S-H-E. The word is she. Do you know this one? Nice job. The word is. Here we go. I-S. That word is. Nice job. This trick word is I. I is the word I. Nice job. Here we go. We only have 3 more. This word is we. Here we go. W-E. The word is we. Try to read this next one on your own first. Tell me the trick word. Good. This trick word is go. Let's get ready to air write. G-O. The word is go. Last one. This is the last tricky word that we're going to read in our story today. Do you know what this word is? Nice job. This word is like. Here we go. Say each letter's name. L-I-K-E. The word is like. Awesome job, readers. Number 6 has a big green check. We only have one more job to do, and that is to read our story. I'll see you soon for some reading.